Really, dear? Tell me some more. Say ah. Yes. Really?
Say hi to Ben.
Say hi, Ben.
Hi, Ben. Get well.
Feel better so I can come over and play. Hey, tell him. Tell him to feel better. What do you want to say to Ben? What? Huh? You want to say ah to Ben? Oh, yeah?
Is that hi, Ben?
That's some pretty serious stuff there. Hey? Is that some serious stuff you're telling us?